Okay, if you can recall back to the previous video, we had installed HTOP with a playbook we had created. So in this video, we are actually going to modify that playbook and remove the HTOP package. To begin, we're just going to copy the existing playbook and rename it as remove-htop. Next, we'll edit it using Vim, and we'll scroll down to where it says name install HTOP. First thing we want to do is just relabel our playbook. And so rather than saying install HTOP, I will make this remove HTOP. As we begin scrolling down further, we will also change the name of the task to remove HTOP, and we'll just keep it simple for now. And we're going to update the state from latest and change that to absent. And that should be it. Let's begin typing out Ansible playbook remove-htop -i demo inv, which is our inventory file, and -K to allow us to invoke the sudo password. So I enter that, goes through the steps that we had defined, and it removes HTOP. Typing it out says it does not exist, and now we're ready to move on. Now that you know how to install and remove packages using Ansible, we're going to do the same. However, rather than installing one package, we will install multiple. So if I make a copy of the previous playbook, I'm going to rename it install packages and open it up using Vim and make some edits. So first line we want to edit is just the title of our playbook. We will change that from install HTOP to install demo packages, and just scroll down here a bit further, rename the first task to download and install demo packages rather than HTOP. I'm going to clean up this other line here where it says Ansible.builtin, and I'm just going to remove the Ansible.builtin part and keep it as apt. Either or works. I just feel apt is a little bit more cleaner in this case. Next, I will change or add a couple lines here. After apt, what I want to do is insert a word called pkg for package, and I will put this HTOP on the following line, and I will leave, in this case, I will leave the state as latest because I would like to install HTOP. I'm going to add a couple others here as well, such as wget, curl, and I'll add Python pip3. So this will install the Python pip installer. So that looks good. It's about 13 or 14 lines, so I'm just going to right quit out of this, and we can then begin invoking it using the Ansible-playbook command. This time it'll be install-packages-i, because I still want to target the demo inventory, and -K because I would like sudo permissions, and so I have to input that password. So I'll do so and hit enter, and it's going through the task here, and it was successful. So we'll just test out some of these packages we installed. Let's start with wget. That looks good. Curl also looks good. Pip. Yep, pip gives me some options here. That tells me that's successful. And I'll end it with HTOP. And of course, as you see on the screen, that is also successful. Alright, and that's it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe so I can continue providing content, which is what I enjoy the most. If you guys have any questions, leave those in the comments section below. I'll be happy to answer them, and I'll see you back next time. Thanks.